Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this sun and earth hack in Dress to Impress. So if you ever got the sun and earth theme on DTI, so this is how you can create the hack, and it's pretty simple. First, you just need to use all black for your skin tone, including the nails, and after that just need to go to this shelf in here and put on the basketball and also the apple. And for the apple, change or toggle it into rotten to the core. And for the color, you can go to the patterns and use these patterns in here. Change all the colors into this blue watery like the earth. And after that, for the basketball, you need to use this pattern in here like a fire or the sun. And for the second color, here I'm using this orange color, and you can use this code. And that's it. So this is the sun and earth. So what do you think about this hack? If you like it, don't forget to click on a thumbs up, leave a comment, and also subscribe and click on thanks. Bye.